Hey guys, how's it going? Brandon here. Okay, so today I just wanted to open a box that I received, which is one of my latest products that I'm offering. This would be considered a fine art print. This is an heirloom piece. This is a wall art piece. So different from what's available in your gallery. This would be if there's just one or two shots that you just love and you want like the best print process possible. So what I did was I found a company that prints the best paper on the planet. It is called Fujiflex Archive Crystal Archive HD. I wanted to really quickly just record receiving one for myself. So this is the first one that I ordered, and this is a sample. I will have this on hand, and this will be in my car to show people what it looks like. Okay, so the one that I ordered is a 15 by 30. These are not cheap. I mean, I'm just going to throw this out there. This is not the cheap option. This is the best option. And I'm always in love with just wondering what the best option is. And obviously, if it's $1 million, then it's not for me. But this is doable, and this is pretty amazing. Okay, so I've got a little box here. So this would be something that you would custom order through me. This is not the same thing that's available in your gallery. Oh my God. Okay, so all of this is just custom built. This can be, you can choose an image that you like, and you can exactly specify to me how big the space is on your wall. Exactly, you don't have to fit into a box. You can measure it. I can order these by any inch increment. Okay, so I'm looking at the back. I haven't looked at the front of it yet. So, okay, there's the mounting piece. Okay, here we go. Ah! Oh boy. This looks amazing. This is so sharp. This is just precision made. I mean, everything is just exact. These are the specifications I ordered. It's so much more delicate than I thought, in a good way. Like, it's not bulky. It just looks like this beautiful, thin piece of acrylic. This is a 1/8 piece of the True Life acrylic. This is glare resistant and scratch resistant. It's also anti-static, so it's dust proof. Color on this is absolutely amazing. It's just crystal clear. So just to kind of go over, what I've selected is, this is a 1/8 inch acrylic, like I said, bonded onto the Fujiflex Crystal Archive HD paper. And then that is bonded onto what's called dye bond. And it's two, you're never going to see this, but it's two tiny pieces of aluminum and then a really thin polyethylene core. And it's very firm. It's not a foam core. This is, I can't even press into it. This is very, very firm, but aluminum is super light. The way that this mounts is, this is intended to float off of the wall. So I have my tape measure because I forgot how wide this was. This is 3/4 of an inch. And then the piece itself is 1/4 of an inch. So 1 inch. So basically, when this goes up against the wall, there's going to be a 1 inch gap. It's going to have a natural drop shadow. It's a really clean edge. It just floats off the wall. And this Crystal Archive paper just catches the light and like holds it and bounces it back. This is so crazy. All right, you guys. Well, that's about it. I'm going to take a couple pictures of this. You can see the information on this page, and let me know if you have any questions, and I will have this on hand. You can take a peek at it after a shoot with me. Okay, so thank you so much. Appreciate it. Bye.